Alright, so we looked at the negatives, now look at the positives. So in creating positive content, it does two things. It does a few things actually. It first of all allows, so if you've got people posting negative things online and they've got a blog or whatnot which is against your business, and it's quite, it's damaging your online reputation, right? Now if you create online content, like positive stuff, like you've got multiple websites showing different things in a positive way, it gives the search engine results page options to post things, right? So someone searches your business name and there's your website and then negative websites, then the search engine is going to go, well, we've got your website to show, but then we've got these negative ones to show, so it's going to show both, right? If you have multiple search engine results that can show, it's going to go, well, what are we going to show, the positive stuff or the negative stuff? And the search engine, the algorithm is going to make a determination, like the artificial intelligence, is going to be going, well, hang on, what's going to be most useful for people to see? And they're going to determine, well, what are people searching going to want to see? And a good example of this is Qantas is the most complained about company in Australia. And that's not me saying, that's by the Australian, the ACCC, right? So, and this was reported in the news a while back. So, makes sense, right? Traveling can be quite a, it's a very involved product that gets often in the market. They're moving you around and you're tired and you're moving from one airport to another. So you can it might not just be that they're totally bad, but when things go wrong, you really want to have a complaint about it. Now, when you search for Qantas flights, you can see we've got a website here, booking, website here, flight details, website here, blah, blah, blah. So although this is the most complained about company in Australia, when you search Qantas flights, all of the search engine results are about positive things about Qantas, and all of these domains are controllable by the business. So effectively what they're doing by posting all this positive content, it drowns out the negative search results. Now, Google is going to go, well, what do people want to see? Are they going to want to see a few people complaining about Qantas? Or are they going to want to see, well, if you're Googling Qantas flights, are you going to really want to see everyone complaining about it? If you Google Qantas reviews, it's a very different story. Do that for fun. But that way, Qantas has been able to take control of their online reputation and by posting positive content and drowning out the negative content. Now, in creating positive content, there's some things that rank really well with search engine optimization. Here's a few things to consider. Now, I'm not suggesting that you do all of these, but you can choose which of these to do, right? So these are options for you to consider. Have a corporate blog, obviously have a corporate website, but you can also have a corporate website with subdomains. We're going to get back a slide here, which is what Qantas has done in there. So all of these are under the qantas.com domain, but they've got all these other subdomains under that. Oops. Oh, went the wrong way. Corporate ads in there, like advertisements, which I'm going to go back a slide here. So this top one, was it this one? There was another one I did. When you search, if you sponsored those search words, that's going to show up in the search engine results page as well. It's going to filter out the lower ranking ones, which might be the complaining ones. Social media profiles, directory listings, charity microsites. So if you do support charity, sometimes businesses like brands will have a domain specifically for the charity that they're supporting. Customer support sites, product microsites, and then cause microsites as well. Now, in creating multiple sources of positive content, it's important that you add value, because if you're just posting, like regurgitating the same stuff on different domains or hoping it's going to rank well, it won't, and then you're just wasting your time. So content that's repetitive or boring, that doesn't add value, will not rank well, and with search engine optimization, and therefore not effective. Social customer relationship management is an effective way to manage online reputation and build customer relationships. And this is the last slide, so before I sign off, I really want to emphasize that a lot of this has been about managing online reputation in a negative way. We've talked about posting online stuff, but using social customer relationship management, look at not just like building a positive online reputation by building valuable relationships with your key targets. That's the essence of good marketing. And again, I encourage you to do that as much as possible. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.